What's up guys, welcome to Sampatech. And wait, are you tired of paying for something using cash or your parents' debit card or GPay? Then no worries, we got Fampay to cover us. So without further ado, let's go into the video.
Fampay is the first neobank in India. Neobank means the type of banks which doesn't need a physical branch to operate. So, the main aim of Fampay was to enable teenagers to make online and offline transactions with ease and without the need to set up a bank account. And it's cool, isn't it?
So, now let me tell you about my personal experience using the Fampay. In simple words, it's excellent. I mean, it's a good replacement for parents' GPay and other UPI apps. Also, we could order our own personal prepaid debit card to make offline transactions, and it works pretty good. And I'm in love with this card. It's so small, elegant, and does its job. Also guys, there are a lot of cashbacks if you use Fampay, and we can also get Fam coins which can be used to redeem spins to get instant rewards. And also, inviting your friends will benefit you both. Fampay also offers a savings account service where you can save your money for 10 consecutive days, and at the end, you may get rewarded. So, that's all guys. If you want to get your own Fam card, there's an invite link in the description. Make sure to use that so that you don't need to start with 0 bands. This video is not sponsored by Fampay. So, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and share this video with your friends who are in grave need of Fampay. And lastly, a sub to my channel makes a day for me. And peace.